Hello, today I want to show you a little demo using the Parallax 2-axis joystick on a through-hole breadboard friendly board. And I've got the setup on a professional development board, also from Parallax. And power on. And over here's the joystick forward. Controls the brightness of the LED. Left and right controls which LED is lit. I pull it back. Very dim. If I pull it towards me, it turns green. Varying intensity with the same left and right characteristics. Run through it quickly with less light so it actually shows up. If I swing it around, we got a little dancing light display. Thank you for watching.